first we're gonna start with the Bosch EasyGrassCut 23. It's a very small electric trimmer, only 280 watts, 23 centimeters. It's 2 kilo weight, it's very lightweight, and you can see it's with semi-automatic hand and adjustable handle, and also this model has a included plant protector. So we'll see this as we go through, as I start assembling. There is a 3-year guarantee. You need to register on the Bosch website for that. The instruction manual, it's here. It's the same for these two models, 23 and 26. 26 means it's 26 cutting diameter. Everything else is the same. Also, you have the complete instruction manual in some 30 languages. Here we have the protector. It's made of plastic. This is the plant protector part. So and this is the screw. So when we we need a screwdriver for that. This is the screw that it's holding the protector. Okay, let me explain you one thing about this is the part where the extra line it's coming out of the spool, so it cut extra so it doesn't go over the protector. And here it is. It's quite small. It's very easy to set up. These are the small rubber protectors. We have to take them out before we assemble it. The handle, it can be adjusted when pushing these two buttons. So in order to set up this, we have to lock the top part first, like this, and then we have the bottom part. We have to take the rubber protector as well. This is actually the power cable that it's powering the motor here. Again, we need to get up to the hole so we can lock this part too. Like this. So we're pretty much done, except we have to put the protector here. Here, I'll show you. You can see all the data on the product, and it's made in China. And this is the original, no sticker. So we have to fit the protector here, and this is the hole where the screw is going in. We're not gonna mess with the head. I will show you another video how to change the spool. It's quite easy. like that. So the screw comes in here. Now we're all set. This can be extended okay, this is the best way. So the distance, it's the same as the spool line. Spool line will be cut here, so the distance it's up to the end of protector, so you don't destroy additionally plant, just cut the grass, which is the good part. So I will recommend always to keep this distance. So that's about it. Here we have the cable and the trigger. In order to start, you need to push this button, and this is like a safety, so we don't start accidentally. Not to forget, always wear protective goggles. When you go outside and start cutting, you can use additional equipment, but goggles are most important. This is the cable holder, and the handle can be adjusted in the position you prefer, like this. So both have to be pushed. So this is like most convenient, most comfortable position. How to load replacement line for Bosch EasyGrassCut Grass 23 grass trimmer. This is basically the same procedure for cordless models 18-230, 18-26 and 18-260. Also for the EasyGrassCut Grass 23, EasyGrassCut Grass 26 and older models R23SL and R26SL. So first we need to take the cover of the spool. It's very easy. You just need to push these two buttons here and the cover is out. Now this is the part that we need to load the line. See, mine it's practically already used all the way, so I'm just gonna take this. I prepared the new one and the length is 4 meters and it's 1.6 millimeters thickness. So how do we load the line? This is the direction you have to load the line, because if you put opposite it won't work. When you start the trimmer, the line will just go out. So we put the line inside the hole and start winding, but has to be properly wound. So when we finish, this should do the job, and we're putting back the spool inside the trimmer head like this. Now we have one hole because this is trimmer with one wire. And we are done. Now to release how much, this is semi-automatic head, so you need to push this button to release the line up to the edge of the trimmer, and that's it, and we're done. Now we're gonna cover the, put the cap back and see the result. Is it okay? I'm gonna plug in the trimmer now and let's see, is it working? So it's working. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.